Objective 2. Users should be able to log in with their username and password and log out. Right, so let's start up the application server. It's locally hosted. You can see it's running. I already have it open in the browser. I'm just going to refresh the page. Let's see, let's sign up. That was just a testing account from earlier. Now, first test is to log in with a valid username and password. First, let's create an account using the sign up feature. Now, we've fully tested the sign up feature in the previous videos, and I just want to be able to create an account so we can use it for this testing video as well. Okay, created the account. Now, to actually start the test case, so the intended output should be a successful sign-in, and we should be redirected to the index page. Then we'll show that we'll check whether the is authenticated attribute in the user table has been set to 1 or true in the user table for this user. Okay, so that worked. We send it. You can even see that this has changed to sign out. Oops, let's go back to here. Alright, let's run this again. And we can see that Avnash65432 was created as a user, but obviously we're not testing the sign up function. What we're really looking at is the is authenticated attribute, and that has been set to 1, which is true. Essentially, that means that the user is logged in. If it was 0, that would mean false, and the user was not logged in. Right, so that test case was passed. The next test case is to log in with an invalid username and a valid password. So let's sign out and try that. So I'm going to mistype the username. So I'm going to type in password correctly. Invalid username or password. We have the correct error message. And let's make sure the database has changed to 0. Well, so specifically the is authenticated attribute in the user table. Now if we go to /65432, we can see that it's been set to 0, which means the user is logged out. That test case has been passed. The next test case is to log in with a valid username and an invalid password. So let's do just that. It's obviously the wrong password. So I have the error message we were looking for. Now let's make sure this is still 0. You can see right here that it's still 0 for evidence 65432. Okay, so the final test case is to log out after a successful login. So let's log in again. Technically we already did this for as part of the first test case, but let's just do it again. Okay, so we logged in, and now I'm going to click on the sign up button. And as it should be, is authenticated is still 0. You can see that if I try to access other parts of the application, you can even see, look at the URL bar and the reload thingy, that it's not working, and yep, we're definitely logged out. Alright, so all test cases have been passed for objective 2. Users should be able to log in with their username and password and log out.